Hello students, welcome back to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel, and we are learning about the fruits and seeds, a lesson from 5th standard science. In last part of the video we have learned why seeds needs to get dispersed. Now in this part of the video we will learn what is the seed dispersal. So what is seed dispersal? The carrying away of fruits and seeds to distant places. Distant places means away, far away from their parent plant. This is called as the seed dispersal. What is seed dispersal? The carrying away of fruits and seeds to the distant places away from their parent plant. This is called as the seed dispersal. Seeds and fruits of many plants have developed special features in order to get dispersed. Why these seeds and fruits of the plants have to develop the special features? Because in last video I have told you that the plants, they cannot move around as like the humans and other animals. Then seeds have to find out the way, so that's why they have developed certain special features in order to get dispersed. This is the one thing. Second thing, forces of nature, natural forces like wind, water, animals which include the humans as well, help these seeds in dispersal. So these things, all these things, wind, water, animals, explosion, fire, all these things, as they are helping the seeds and fruits to get dispersed, move away from the parent plant, they are called as the agents of seed dispersal. So here in this picture we can see how wind helps the seeds to get dispersed. Even the water, in second picture we can see how water plays an important role in the dispersal of the seed. In third picture we can see a bird with a fruit in its beak. So birds also carry these seeds, because you know that inside the fruit is the seed. Okay, so fruit protects the seed, fleshy part of the fruit. So birds eat fruits and they move away from that particular place. So birds, that means basically the animals, carry the seeds away from their parent plant. And even we can see squirrel also helps in the dispersal of seeds. Why seed needs to get dispersed? We have learned what is seed dispersal and what are the various agents of the seed dispersal. Now we will see what is the need of the dispersal of the seed. When fruits becomes mature, it releases the seeds which are inside, which are inside the fruits. When these fruits release the seeds, they fall onto the ground, and if all the seeds, as you can see in the picture, if they will fall directly below the parent plant, then they may not able to get the sufficient space which is required for their growth, and even they will not have the enough water, air and minerals, and as a result they may die. They may not able to germinate, and that's why because of this reason only the seeds, they have to get dispersed in the surrounding, so they will get the better chances to germinate or to get develop into the new plants. So here we'll stop, and in the next part of the video we'll see how the different natural forces helps these seeds to get dispersed. Thank you so much.